Senzo Meyiwa's murder trial, the judge, Ratha Mokgoatlheng, has granted the state's request for Lambertus Steyn to return to the witness stand to clarify prior evidence that he gave. The retired policeman told the court that accused No. 5 Fisokuhle Ntuli called Meyiwa's then lover, Kelly Khumalo, twice prior to the footballer's 2014 murder, but the records from a data analyst from Vodacom does not corroborate this.
After a back and forth between the state and the defense, Judge Ratha Mokgoatlheng finally ruled in favor of the state in their application to have Lieutenant Colonel Lambertus Steyn return to the stand. Steyn previously told the court about communication between accused No. 5 Fisokuhle Ntuli and Kelly Khumalo in August and October 2014. The defense, however, picked up some discrepancies in this evidence, prompting the state to file an application to have Steyn return to the witness stand.
I agree with the state when they say Steyn must come and account. This court is also baffled, I can tell you that, by the evidence given by Colonel Steyn, because this is what he says under cross-examination by Ms. Mshololo on the question as to how did he establish that the various numbers that he mentioned in his affidavit are being associated with accused No. 5. And this is what he said. That is correct, but also I can also mention, after I received the information from Brigadier Gnanda, I throw it into the I throw it into the AMB notebook database, and then the linkages come with the section 205s and the cell phone downloads. That's how he explains it. To me, it's baffling.
The defense had argued that recalling this witness would be against the principle of a fair trial.
The interest of justice, my lord, I submit with due respect, does not allow the recalling of a witness to come and repeat evidence, explanation that has already been testified in court, because that will amount to an unfair trial on the part of the defense case.
The submissions by the defense in this application did not succeed.
So all the state says wants to happen is that Lieutenant Steyn must come and clarify the issue of the two calls, not to give new evidence. That's how I understand the application. And not to correct his evidence, to clarify his evidence. That's how the application is couched.
Proceedings resume on Wednesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Mnisi at the High Court in Pretoria.